A selection equals a mask. The only area at the moment that we can deal with this image is actually within the selected area. If, say for example, I go and select a paintbrush from my toolbox, if I then go and pick a colour in my foreground to paint with, let's just say I'll go for a bright blue. When I now start painting on my image, you'll see nothing at the moment is currently happening. That's because I'm painting or trying to paint in the area that's protected. As soon as I move my brush into my masked area, you'll see that is only the area that is selected and affected by the paint. So a selection equals a mask.